Alright guys, I'm inside IKEA. Let's see what 590 square feet looks like. Let's go ahead and start out. An entryway. Got a nice storage area. You can put your bike. Nice little table. Walk into the bathroom. I really like this color coordination. Nice entryway, toilet, and shower. No bathtub. Quite roomy. You got washer and dryer here. Walk into the bedroom. This is a pretty nice size bedroom, you know. You could probably fit a queen size bed in here with stand-up closet space and drawers. And here is the kitchen. Right. Got all of your appliances right here. Cabinets, microwave, very big cabinets. Look at that. Small refrigerator right here. Plenty of storage space for your pantry. Alright. And here, it's like a dining room area. Here's this living room area. You have a bookcase right here. Very large sofa. You put a large screen TV, probably upwards at what, like 85-inch? And the dining room over here. So I can definitely live into this room like this.